Ever pondered about growing your own herbs indoors? Think it's too complex or requires a lot of space? Well, think again. Imagine having fresh basil, mint, or rosemary at your fingertips, not to mention the air-purifying qualities and aesthetic appeal they bring. Growing herbs indoors might seem daunting, but it's simpler than you'd believe. And no, you don't need a large space. So, are you ready to add a green touch to your home? Stick around, and you'll learn how to create your own indoor herb garden, regardless of the size of your home. Firstly, decide on the herbs you'd like to grow. There are plenty of options. Let's take a moment to talk about a few herbs that thrive indoors. Basil, for example, is a versatile herb that's widely used in various cuisines. It's easy to grow and adds a delightful flavor to your dishes. Then, there's parsley, a hardy herb that not only enhances your meals but also has a wealth of medicinal properties. It's a rich source of vitamins and can help boost your immune system. Don't forget about chives. They're not just for baked potatoes. These small, delicate herbs can be a flavorful addition to your salads, soups, and more. If you're looking for something with a bit more punch, consider growing rosemary or thyme. Both herbs are known for their strong, distinct flavors and their multitude of uses beyond the kitchen, such as natural cleaning supplies. Once you've chosen your herbs, it's time to prepare for planting. Don't worry about space. You can grow herbs even in the smallest of apartments. Now let's talk about preparing your indoor garden. The magic of indoor gardening is that you can turn any corner of your home into a lush, green oasis. First things first, your herbs will need ample sunlight, at least 6 hours a day. South-facing windows are typically the sunniest, but any well-lit spot will do. If you're short on natural light, don't fret. There are plenty of grow lights available that can mimic sunlight. Next, let's consider temperature. Most herbs prefer a comfortable room temperature, around 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep your plants away from drafts, as sudden temperature changes can shock them. Don't forget about humidity. While most herbs are quite hardy, they do appreciate a bit of humidity. If your home is dry, a simple spray bottle can do the trick. So, look around your house. That sunny windowsill, that vacant corner by the bookshelf, could be the perfect spot for your indoor herb garden. Now that you've got your space ready, let's move on to the planting process. Now comes the exciting part: planting your herbs. Let's dive right into the world of herbs, shall we? First things first, you need to prepare your soil. Use a potting mix that's well-draining and rich in organic matter. You can pick up a bag at your local garden center or make your own with compost, peat moss, and perlite. Fluff it up with your hands to ensure it's light and airy. This is key, as herbs don't like to sit in waterlogged soil. Next, it's time to sow your seeds. But remember, not all seeds are created equal. Some need light to germinate, some prefer darkness, and others require a specific temperature. Always check the package for instructions. As a general rule of thumb, plant the seeds twice as deep as they are wide. Gently press them into the soil and cover lightly. Now, on to watering. Here's a little secret. Herbs like to be a bit on the dry side, so water sparingly. A spray bottle is perfect for this task. It provides a gentle mist that won't disturb the seeds. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy. Too much water can lead to rot, which is a death sentence for your fledgling herbs. Maintaining the right temperature is crucial. Most herbs prefer temperatures between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. But again, check the specifics for each herb. You might need to move pots around your home to find the perfect spot. Light is another important factor. Most herbs need a good 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day. If you don't have a sunny window, don't fret. A grow light can work wonders. Once you've got all these elements in balance, you're on your way to a thriving indoor herb garden. Remember, patience is a gardener's best friend. Keep an eye on your plants and adjust as necessary. Growing herbs indoors is a rewarding experience. Not only do they add a touch of green to your home, but they also offer an array of benefits. From flavoring your meals to freshening up your living space to offering natural remedies, herbs are truly a gift from nature. With your herbs now planted, all that's left is to care for them and watch them grow. Caring for your herbs is crucial for their growth and health. Just like us, our leafy friends need attention and care to flourish. Watering is one of the most vital aspects of herb care. However, it's not about drenching them, it's about keeping their soil consistently moist. Overwatering is a common mistake that can lead to root rot, so remember, less is more. Sunlight, too, plays a significant role in their lives. Most herbs love a good dose of sunshine, ideally 4 to 6 hours daily. If you're growing them indoors, placing them near a south-facing window works wonders. But don't fret if you don't have one. There are plenty of grow lights available in the market that can substitute for natural light. Pruning is another important aspect of herb care. Regular trimming encourages bushier growth and prevents your herbs from becoming too leggy. Always remember to cut just above a set of leaves to encourage new branches to sprout. Now, despite your best efforts, issues may arise. Yellow leaves could indicate overwatering, while tiny holes could mean you've got pests. Don't panic though. There are many organic solutions available that can help you tackle these problems without resorting to harmful chemicals. With proper care, your herbs will thrive, providing you with fresh produce right at home. So let's continue to nurture our green friends and reap the benefits of having our own indoor herb garden. Growing herbs indoors is not only practical but also rewarding. We've journeyed together through the process of choosing the right herbs for your needs, preparing your indoor space, planting your herbs, and caring for them. It's clear that with a little effort and the right knowledge, anyone can cultivate a lush indoor herb garden, regardless of the size of their living space. The benefits of nurturing these green friends are manifold, from enhancing your culinary creations, offering natural medicinal remedies, to being a source for eco-friendly cleaning supplies. The possibilities are endless. And let's not forget the sheer joy and satisfaction that comes from watching your plants thrive under your care. Embarking on this green journey is not only an exercise in self-sustainability, but it's also a wonderful way to add more greenery and life into your home. We hope this guide inspires you to start your own indoor herb garden. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy gardening!